a traditional dish from the Orient called by different names in different countries, made from sticky rice. Today's recipe is a sweet and fruity version of the jong or zongzi made from black rice or Karuppu Kavuni rice. Welcome to Whada Gravy. If you like my videos, do subscribe. And to not miss out on new videos, press the bell icon after subscribing. The ingredients required for the mango flavored jong are 1 large mango for making into a puree, 1 cup of black rice rava. I have already shown the preparation of black rice rava in the black rice recipes video. You can find the link for the same in the description box below. 1/4 cup grated coconut, 1/4 cup powdered jaggery, 1 tablespoon butter, a few almonds and salt. Pinch of salt added to any sweet dish enhances its taste. The ingredients required for banana flavored jong are 6 to 7 ripe bananas, 1 cup black rice rava, 1/4 cup grated coconut, 1/4 cup powdered jaggery, 2 tablespoons ghee or clarified butter, 8 to 9 pods of cardamom, a few cashew nuts and salt. For the preparation, take the almonds, cut into slices of required thickness. Transfer to a bowl. Add the cardamom pods to a mortar. Pound lightly. Remove the skin. Pound the seeds to a fine powder. Set aside. Peel the banana and chop into medium-sized pieces. Take the mango, cut, make grooves, scoop out the pulp and add to a bowl. Transfer the cut pieces to a mixer jar. Add 1/4 cup of water and make into a puree. Transfer to a bowl. We will need 1 more mango to be cut into pieces. This is for the filling. Cut the mango, make grooves as before, scoop out the pulp and set the pieces aside. To prepare the mango flavored black rice dumplings, to a pan, add 1 tablespoon butter. Add the coarsely ground black rice rava or powder. Mix until the rava is evenly coated with the butter. Add the mango puree and mix. As the mango is sweet, I am not adding any sweetener to this mix. To this, add 1/4 cup of water. Mix everything well. Set aside. For the banana flavored black rice dumplings, to a pan, add 1 teaspoon ghee. Add the cashew nuts. Fry until they turn golden brown. Remove. To the same pan, add 1 more teaspoon of ghee. Add the chopped banana pieces. Also fry until they turn golden brown. Now add another teaspoon of ghee. When the ghee starts melting, add the black rice rava. Black rice is loaded with the antioxidant Anthocyanin and helps boost immunity. It is also rich in fiber and aids in weight loss. Fry until it is nicely coated with the ghee. Add 1/4 cup of powdered jaggery. Mix. Add 1/4 to half teaspoon of cardamom powder. Mix everything well. Add half a cup of water. Mix and add 1/4 cup more water. Mix everything well. Add 2 teaspoons of pomegranate seeds. Switch off the stove. Pomegranate is optional. Mix to combine. Set aside. We will need banana leaves to make the jong. Jong is typically made with any type of sticky rice with bamboo, reed, maize or banana leaves. Take banana leaves which are tender. Place the washed and cleaned banana leaves over the flame on a stove. This will help soften the leaves and make it easy to fold. Keep turning the leaf until both sides are softened. Split the leaf vertically through the midrib. Take 1/2 of the leaf and cut into 2 pieces. Remove the midrib. It makes it easier to fold the leaf. Cut and remove torn parts of the leaf if any. Place one cut portion of the leaf over the other. Ensure that the narrow part of the leaf is outward and the fold is made on the broader side. Holding the edge of the leaf between your thumb and other fingers, fold it inward so that it forms a cone shape. Banana leaf is rich in polyphenols which help fight free radicals and also impart a nice flavor to the dish. To prepare the jong with the mango filling, take the folded banana leaf cone, add 1 teaspoon of the black rice to which mango puree has been added. Press the rice, add a layer of cut mango pieces, add some grated coconut, top up with some sliced almonds. Add 1 more layer of cut mangoes. Cover with a layer of black rice. Press well. Top up with an almond slice. To close the jong, close down the sides and fold the remaining part of the leaf either down or back. Tie and secure with a cotton thread. Ensure that the parcel is wrapped tightly and is properly secured so that the rice or the stuffing does not come out. For the jong with the banana filling, to the banana leaf cone, add 1.5 to 2 teaspoons of the pomegranate jaggery mixed black rice rava. Press it, add the toasted banana pieces, add grated coconut, add powdered jaggery, add some more banana pieces, cover with a layer of black rice, top up with cashew, close the leaf and fold like before. Secure it well using the thread. The sweet rice dumplings have been tied together so that they can be removed easily once done. Set aside all the prepared jongs. To a pan, add water. Place the prepared dumplings in the water. Add more water if required so that all the dumplings are covered. Switch on the stove. Once the water starts boiling, close with the lid and allow it to boil on a slow flame for 45 minutes. Once done, switch off the stove. Remove the lid. Place the dumplings on a sieve. You can either open the jong pieces immediately and have it hot, or you can have it after it cools down. To open the jong, cut the thread and remove the banana leaf wrapping. Here we have our delicious banana and mango filled sweet jong parcels ready. Serve the jong with cut mango, banana and pomegranate pieces. Drizzle some liquid jaggery on the sweet jongs. Enjoy these healthy steamed black rice sweet dumplings in both their flavors, with the delicious mango filling and with the flavorful banana filling. If you liked the video, do drop your comments below. Join me on Saturday for another interesting recipe.